Video 2 of 2, pack 2 of 2. We're doing another 1991 Topps Jumbo pack. And take a look at my behind the scenes video number 9 as to why we're opening up two 91 Topps Jumbo packs. And it looks like in my stash, the only thing I have left is one 1991 Topps wax pack. So I'm going to have to bolster my stash because, well, look at video number 9 behind the scenes. That'll explain why I need to bolster my stash of 91 Topps because I'm getting critically low. All right, anyway, second pack here, 40 cards, no gum. Let's see what we can find. All righty, we start out with Detroit Tigers, Travis Fryman. Good deal on that. Jeff Pico. Number 1 draft pick of Alex Fernandez. Greg Vaughn. Jeff Kaiser. Rick Honeycutt. Luis Rivera. Doc Gooden, or Dwight Gooden. Good deal. We'll put him up there. Phenomenal pitcher. Manager of the St. Louis Cardinals, Joe Torre. Phenomenal player and then manager. Jeff Russell. John Smoltz. Good deal on the John Smoltz. He was a great pitcher. Jack Morris. Phenomenal pitcher as well. Doug Jones. Dave Martinez. Bill Landrum, Dave Parker, Gary Pettis, Don Paul, Glenn Davis, Darren Jackson, Juan Agosto, Randy Myers, Charles Nagy, Dennis Cook, Dave Rode, All-Star National League card of Bobby Bonilla, Topps All-Star Rookie card of Scott Radinsky, this is Gold Cup card there, base card of Bobby Bowe, good deal, Tom Henke, Dave West, John Barfield, Andy Hawkins, Joe Bolivar, Lance Parrish. We should have, yep, we've got 2 instant win game cards. Chris James, Andres Galarraga. What a phenomenal player he was. We'll put him up there. Dennis Oil Can Boyd. Mariano Duncan, Greg Swindell, Ted Power, and finally Gary Ward. All right, not as good as the first jumbo pack we opened. Be sure to check that out. But we did pick up Andres Galarraga. Manager Joe Torre, he's a legend. John Smoltz, not his rookie card, but still cool nonetheless. And Doc Gooden, what a great pitcher he was. 1991 Topps, their 40th anniversary, 40-card jumbo pack. Thanks for watching, y'all.